So, yeah, no, hello friends, no. So, let us tackle the last topic in the basic theorems of derivatives, no, when we are differentiating or getting the derivatives of our functions, no. So, we have the derivatives of exponential and logarithmic functions, no. So, basically they are complementary functions, no. Kaya sila magkasama. So, when we say exponential functions, these are functions where, I mean, from the word itself, exponential function, it is an exponent of a, let's say, of a base, no? And we have two kinds of base that's possible, no? We have the constant base and the Euler's base, no? Euler's numbers base, no? So, we have here, no, for the exponential functions, we have the derivative of k raised to u, where k is the constant and u is the function. Okay, that is equivalent to k raised to u ln k du, no? So, yun yung ano natin, ang tawag dito, derivative natin, no? Yung ating formula for the derivative. Then we are asked to find for the derivative of e raised to u, no, where e is the Euler's constant. Nalagay ko dito. E, this is the Euler's constant. Ayan. So, where E is the Euler's constant, that is equal to EU du na lang. No, bakit siya naging EU du na lang? If we're going to use, no, let's say, no, we're going to plug E as the constant K, no? Kasi 'di ba, remember, Euler's constant is a constant. It has a value. No, so if we're going to plug E raised to U using this formula, no, yung ating original formula. K raised to U, E raised to U times ln E. 'Di ba magiging ganun siya du. Remember guys, ln E is always equal to 1. Okay, so hindi naman siya magka-cancel, but rather it will be equal to 1. So, this will just be simply equal to 1. If this is E, no? Ayan, and this is E. Kaya siya naging EUD yun na lang. Okay, yun yung parang derivation, no? From the original formula that we have. Yung KU, uh, ang tawag dito, KU, LNK, DU, no? Or sa yung other references kasi is AU, no? AU, LNA, DU. Yun yung ginagamit nila. Okay, where DU is the derivative of the function, no? Yung ating exponential function in respect to x. Okay, so, or kung saan man tayo nagdi-differentiate. Okay, then we have the logarithmic function. No, so we have two formulas as well. For the derivative of log AU, no, of log AU, we have du over u ln u. No, yun yung ating formula. Okay, and kapag ka naman we are asked to find what is ln u, no, so that is just simply du over u. No, so madali tandaan yung ln u, no, yung log AU, no, yung log u base A, no, ganun siya basahin. That is du over u ln u. Ayan. So, okay. Wait lang. Let me check. Okay. So, may correction lang. This is A. Ayan. Using ko. Ayan. So, the derivative of log u base A is du over u ln A. No? Kaya po sabi ko parang may mali. Anyway, so these are our formulas, no? So these formulas are what we're going to use later in the evaluation of the derivatives ng ating mga functions. Okay, so let us try to solve, no? So we have here our first example, y is equal to 2e raised to square root of x, no? So you need to identify what is u, just like doon sa ating na mga naunang transcendental functions, no? In this case our u is square root of x. The derivative, no? The derivative of square root of x is 1 over 2 square root of x. So, bakit siya naging 1 over 2 square root of x? Teka, ayusin natin. Kasi guys, remember, di ba? Square root of x is equal to, wait lang. Square root of x is equal to x raised to 1 half. So if going to get the derivative using chain rule, di ba, this is equivalent to 1 half x raised to 1 half minus 1, which is essentially, di ba, negative 1 half. So pagka naging negative 1 half siya, para maging positive, ibababa mo. Okay, kaya siya naging 1 over 2 square root of x. Okay, so just plug it in the formula, no? So y prime is equal to EU du, di ba? So, you will have y prime is equal to 2 times, sorry, change color. Y prime is equal to 2, that is our constant, diba? Remember, pagka constant lumalabas lang. That is e raised to square root of x, no, times 1 over 2 square root of x. Since we have 2 sa numerator, so we can cancel yung 2. No, so, and combining the 2, so we have y prime is equal to e raised to square root of x over square root of x. Okay, this is our answer, no, basically. Ayan. Okay? So, yun, no? Then we have number 2, no? So we have y is equal to 9 raised to x cube, no? So this is in the form of k raised to u, no? So we'll have u is equal to x cube, basically. Du is 3x squared, diba? So just applying, no, the formula. So we have y prime is equal to ku ln k, diba? Du. So we'll have 9x raised to 3 times ln 9 times 3x squared, diba? Then simplifying this one, no, so we'll have, you need the calculator for this. Wait lang. Okay, so this is approximately 2.2, no? So ayan. Since this is approximately 2.2, so we can multiply. Lagay ko dito, no? Ayan. So we can multiply it with 3. So 2.2 times 3, that is 6.6, no? So we have 6.6x squared times 9 raised to x cubed. Diba? So, hindi na natin masisimplify ito. Remember, x cubed is an exponent of 9, not multiplied to 9. No? So, we cannot combine them afterward. So, this is our answer na. Y prime is equal to 6.6 x cubed, x squared times 9 raised to x cubed. Ayan. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. Then we have y is equal to e raised to x cubed plus 8x, no? So, ito buo to exponent. Ayan. So, there are two methods of solving this one, no? So, unahin natin yung pinakasimple, yung straightforward, where our u is equal to x cubed plus 8x. Diba? So, therefore, du is equal to 3x squared plus 8. Diba? So, substitute nyo lang, no? Straightly forward, no? So, we have y prime is equal to eu. Kopyahin nyo pa rin. Tapos, times 3x squared plus 8. Oh, so, this is our answer. Yes, this will do as our answer, pero we can distribute actually. Y prime is equal to 3x squared e raised to x cubed plus 8x plus 8e raised to x cubed plus 8x. Ayan. This will be our answer. Okay? So, another method is paghihiwalayin ninyo, no? Ito. So, this one is actually equivalent to e raised to x cubed times e raised to 8x. Tapos, just solve the individual derivatives, di ba? So, tapos product rule. However, that will be quite mas mahaba ng kaunti. And actually, it's just the same. No? It will just arrive with the same answer. Okay? So, try it on your own. Then, evaluate it using product rule, tapos check if you will arrive with the same answer. But it will arrive with the same answer. It may be in different form, but in terms of values, no, if you substitute as or rather assign values, you will get the same answer. Okay? So number 4, no, so we have y is equal to 7 raised to 2x minus 5. So ganun din you can actually distribute, no? So mas madali 'yon actually kapag dinistribute natin. So this will be 7 raised to 2x times 7 raised to negative 5. Huwag nyo na ibaba, no? Huwag nyo na i-evaluate. Bakit? Diba? Using product rule, our u is equal to 7 raised to 2x. Our v is equal to 7 raised to negative 5. Automatic, ang dv natin is 0. Kasi constant to eh. Diba? 7 raised to negative 5 is a constant. Yung du na lang ang poproblemahin natin. No? What is our du? What is the formula for k raised to a? Diba? That is tawag dito k raised to a ln k, 'di ba? So, usog ko lang or burahin ko muna. So we have du is equal to 7 raised to 2x ln ng 7, no? Ayan. So therefore we will have, no, using product rule. Sorry, times 2 pa pala kasi du. I forgot about the du. Usog ko lang. So we have times 2. Kasi 'di ba du ang derivative ng 2x is 2. Okay, so we have y prime is equal to u dv, that is 0, tas times v du. So we have 1 over 7 raised to 5 times 7 raised to 2x, 'di ba? 7 raised to 2x times 2 ln raised to 7. Ln 7. Okay, using properties of natural logarithm, we can make 2 an exponent of 7. Ayusin ko. 2 as an exponent of 7. Ayan, para kitang-kita na dapat exponent siya. So, therefore, no, so this one, same base, 7 and 7. So, we can subtract their, we can subtract their exponent. So, we have 7 raised to 2x minus 5. So, yun yung given actually. Times ln ng 7 squared, that is 49. ln 49. Diba? Ayan. So, this is our answer. Sir, dun sa nauna, hindi ba pwede? So, let us check. No? So, hindi, yes, this may do. However, hindi naman masyado mag-matter. Bakit? Kasi, di ba, we have, okay. Pwede pala. So, what we can do is, no, for example, di ba, other or dito or, sorry. So, we have y prime is equal to, if you do not want to solve or without calculator, this is the solution without the calculator, ha? Without the calculator. So, we have 9x cubed, no? 9x cubed multiplied to 3 ln 9. Okay? So, or, ln 9. Or you can, ln 9. Then we have x squared, no? So, then we have 9 cubed, that is equal to 27 times 9, that is 200. Oh, sorry, wait lang. Sorry, 200 tuloy. 729 pala. No, so this will be, no, so we can have 9 raised to x cubed x squared, no, multiplied to the natural logarithm of 729. Ayan. This can be the answer. Dalawa. Or this one. Diba? Pagka walang calculator, ito yung without calcu. So, kapag hindi ko kayo pinagamit ng calcu, or hindi kayo pinapagamit ng calcu ng prof ninyo, So this is the solution. Pero pag you're going to evaluate it using the calculator, yun na una, no? So you can get the value of the natural logarithm. Ayan. No, so ayan. Okay, no, so let's proceed with number 5. So punta na tayo sa mga logarithms natin. So we have y is equal to log base a of 5x squared minus 2, 'di ba? So we have our u is equal to 5x squared minus 2. So our du is simply 10x, 'di ba? So our formula again, no, for the log, no, that is du over u multiply to ln a, no? So since wala naman tayong value ng a, 'di ba? A is equal to a. So as is na 'yon. Okay, so we have y prime is equal to 10x over 5x squared minus 2 multiplied to ln a. Pretty straightforward, yes. No, kasi wala naman na tayong magagawa rito. Wala na. No, just distribute ln a but it won't matter naman. No, so there's no need to. Kung may value sana si ln, pwede. No, kung may value sana si ln, pwede. Kaso wala namang value si ln. Okay, so that's for number 5. Okay, so next we have number 6, no? So we have y is equal to ln of square root of x plus ln of sine 8x, no? So we have two functions. Let's say this is u. I will assign this as u, and I will assign this as v, no? So we have u is equal to square root of x. Du is just 1/2 or 1 over 2 square root of x. Di ba yung kanina natin? Then we have v is equal to sine 8x. Our dv is 8 cosine 8x. Okay, so let's solve. No? So we have y. Diba du over u, the derivative. Diba y prime is equal to du over u. So 2 times lang natin gagawin kasi diba operated siya by addition. So we'll have 1 over 2 square root of x over square root of x, di ba? Tapos plus 8 cosine 8x over sine 8x. Di ba? So let us simplify. So we have 1/2 square root of x times 1 over square root of x plus 8. Diba remember, we have a trigonometric identity for cosine and sine. So cosine over sine, this is equivalent to cotangent 8x. Pero hindi ba tangent, that is sine over cosine. Cosine over sine to. No, so we'll have 8 cotangent 8x to simplify. Ayan. Tapos, multiplication. So square root of x times square root of x is just simply x, no? So we'll have 1 over 2 x plus 8 cotangent 8x. This is our y prime. No, so this is our final answer. Okay, no, so for our last example, no, so to medyo mahaba ng kaunti. So we have y is equal to x cubed plus x squared minus 1 quantity squared all over x squared plus 1 quantity cube. So this is quite tedious to solve when you are solving using the regular, no? Yung ating regular, ang tawag dito, regular formulas natin, yung sa algebraic. No? So kapag ganito, no, you can apply ln, no? So in evaluating. Kasi remember, 'di ba, meron tayong mga properties for ln, no? Meron tayong mga specific properties. So if we're going to evaluate this using ln, so we'll have ln y is equal to ln ng x cubed, x squared minus 1 over x squared plus 1 cube. Okay. Sa ln guys, kapag naka-multiply plus, kapag naka-divide minus, no? So pag pinag-iwalay natin to, we'll have ln y is equal to ln cube, x cube rather, plus ln ng x squared minus 1 squared minus ln ng x squared plus 1 cube. Tapos yung mga exponent ng mga internal functions ng ln natin, lagay nyo sa unahan ng ln, no? So, pabaligtad. Kung kanina, naglalagay tayo papasok sa ln, ito naman, ilalabas natin ng exponent sa ln. Para later, mas mabilis natin makuha yung derivative. Diba? So, we'll have ln y is equal to ln x cube plus 2 ln ng x squared minus 1 minus 3 ln ng x squared plus 1. Diba? Mas simple. Then, let's get the derivative. Tsaka tayo mag-a-apply ng derivative ngayon. No? So, we'll have y prime over y is equal to what is the derivative of x cubed? Diba? That is 3x squared. 3x squared over x cubed. No? So, actually, you can actually put out ano, no 3. Sige, ilabas natin yung 3 para sabi ko kasi kanina, 'di ba, that Ayan. So, ilagay natin dun sa taas. Ayan. Ito. So, unahan. When we'll have 3 ln x. Para mas simple, no? So, we'll have 3. What is the derivative of x? That is simply 1, no? 1 over x. O, diba? Simplified agad. Plus 2 ln x squared. So, we'll have 2x over x squared, x squared minus 1. Okay? So, minus 3 multiplied to the derivative of x squared plus 1 is 2x still over x squared plus 1. Okay? So, ayan. So, guys, no, you cannot, I mean, this is not the final answer kapag, ang tawag dito, kasi we can express this, remember, we have y, no, so, pagka sinabi ang instructions, for example, ang instructions is you can express the answer implicitly. No, pag sinabing implicitly, pwede natin siya i-express in terms of y. So you just multiply all sides by y. So you can have y prime is equal to 3y over x plus 4xy over x squared minus 1 minus 6xy over x squared plus 1. Okay, this we do. This can be the final answer. However, kapag ang walang sinabing implicitly, automatic ang default kasi natin is explicitly, no? Supposedly. So, you need to substitute the value of y. Ganun siya. No? So, by substituting the value of y, katulad ito, wala naman sinabi na dapat walang sinabi na implicit, so automatic explicit. So we'll have y prime is equal to, what's the value of y again? 3 over x times, that is x cubed x squared minus 1 squared over x squared plus 1 cube. Then plus 4x over x squared minus 1 times x cubed x squared minus 1 squared over x squared plus 1 cube. Wag kayo magsisimplify, guys, kasi may mga makakancel dito definitely. Then we have 6x over x squared plus 1, okay, times x cubed x squared minus 1 squared over x squared plus 1 quantity cube. No? So, you can start canceling out kung merong mga makakancel just like this one. Then, eto din. No? Ayan. Tapos, eto, wala namang makakancel. So, therefore, no? Kung mapapansin natin, no? By looking at the denominators, we have x squared plus 1, we have x squared plus 1 cube. We can combine this by using multiplication. No? This one will just be equivalent to, ano magiging equivalent ito? X squared plus 1 quantity raised to 4. Meron ka ng x squared plus 1 dito sa mga to na naka-cube. So meaning you can combine them by getting the LCD, which is x squared plus 1 raised to 4, then just multiply x squared plus 1 doon sa mga numerator nung hindi naka-4 yung denominator, no? So ano yung sinasabi ni sir, no? So we have y prime is equal to, ayusin ko lang, no? 3x squared times x squared minus 1 squared x squared plus 1. Kasi may cube ka na, no? So this will just be x squared plus 1 raised to 4. Kasi 'di ba makaka-cancel yan, babalik ka dito sa original. 'Di ba? Then we have plus, so we have 4x times x cubed, that is 4x to the 4th, times x squared minus 1. Sorry, wala na pala. Times x squared plus 1 over and x squared plus 1 raised to 4. Then, minus 6x to the 4th times x squared minus 1 square over x squared plus 1 raised to 4. Okay, so combining all of this, so we'll have y prime. Kopyahin ko na lang. So, dito pala sa gilid. So, we'll have y prime is equal to kopyahin ko lang lahat. Ayan. So, I will be combining all of them. Saan ako? Ayan. So, this is plus. Tatabi-tabihin ko lang. Plus minus. Just extend this one. Yan. X squared plus 1 raised to 4. Let me see. Double check ko lang. Okay, x squared pala to dapat. Ay, hindi, tama. Okay. Ito yung ano natin. Then just simplify. Let us check if what can we simplify. We have a common term is x squared times x squared minus 1. Oo. So we have x squared times x squared minus 1. So we have 3 times x squared minus 1. X squared plus 1, then plus 4x squared, Ayan. 4x squared times... Nalabas ko na yung isang x squared, I mean yung x squared minus 1. So, x squared plus 1 na lang to. Then minus 6x to the fourth. X squared minus 1. Ayan. All over raised to 4. No? Ayan. So, simplify na lang natin yung nasa loob kasi this can be further simplified. Okay, so we have 3 times x to the fourth x to the fourth plus 1, rather minus 1, then plus 4x to the fourth. Sorry, this is squared. And 4x to the fourth plus 4x squared, then minus 6x to the fourth plus 6x squared. Okay, so we have, ito lang yun ha, yung naka-group lang yun ha, yung naka-group lang. So we have 3x to the fourth minus 3 plus 4x to the fourth plus 4x squared minus 6x to the fourth plus 6x squared. So we have common terms, this one, and this one, at saka ito. No? So we will have, so this is 7 x to the fourth minus 6x to the fourth, x to the fourth. Okay, then we have plus 10. Sorry. Tama, plus 10. Let me double check. Yeah, plus 10. No, so we have 10x squared minus 3. Okay, so this is not factorable anymore. So, ayan na lang i-multiply natin. So, we have y prime is equal to x squared times x squared minus 1 times x to the fourth plus 10x squared minus 3. Ayan. All over x squared plus 1 raised to 4. This is our answer. Okay, so you just need to take note ano yung mga pwede i-simplify, mga ganon, no? Katulad nga sabi ko, no, this is the answer kapag explicit, default, no, default to. Kapag hindi sinabing implicit, you need to go for the explicit solution. No, so yung kanina, asan na yun? Ito, this one's the implicit. Ayan. Or you can combine actually, but it does not matter naman. Anyway, no, so yeah, no, that's it, no. I hope you guys learned something, no. So you practice the, especially this last problem, no. Medyo marami siyang ginawa. Ayan. Zoom out natin. Ayan, no. Hindi naman kahabaan, no. Parang daunting lang tignan, pero you can actually simplify it. No, so thank you for listening. Stay safe and God bless. Next meeting, we will start the application, no? In the next lesson, we will start the application of derivatives.